Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of the weekend edition of Saturday Sunday. It's actually today Sunday, September the 8th, 2024, and I've already solved three puzzles in this additional: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's now the time for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku. This will be number 9236. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 15. But it's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here 1 and there a 1. Contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always a 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 here, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Here. We have another one. Well, this box can be 2, the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always a 4 or a 5. Let me mark those, 4 or a 5, okay. Then, my next question is, can we see here the quadra boxes? Let me check for the quadra boxes now. Here we have a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, the 3 and the 4 should be there. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes here. Another one mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. More? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Okay. More T shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of this kind of shape here. Another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Oh, wait. We have more. Yeah, here. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2. But it can't be a 1 anymore. We have a 1 here, so this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Okay. Then the following shape. How about the L shape upside down? The L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. is also connected with that box, should be so 1. Here another L shape. This box is the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Nope. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Let me see. Interesting. This box. Oh, 2 numbers left. 4 numbers in this triple box. For numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is connected with that box. Super 1 and 3 is also connected with that box. Super 1 and 3. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. This box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. Come on. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box can be a 1, so 1 could be here, could be there. Then, let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be here and the 3 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1 or a 3 because we have a 1 and a double 1 there and a double 3 there. So 1 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. And this box is also connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 box left in this triple box for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4 then. Then 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 3. 3 and a 4, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Is connected with that box, should be so 1 and a 5. So if eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. Alright. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. So the 2 could be here or there. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area. 1 was 2, and the 3 we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Then these 2 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this cross area. Supposed to be there. This box. Wait. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this T-shaped area. It's supposed to be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there. Well, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Okay. Then this box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. And that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 4, 5. Well, I need to think here. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the only place level 3 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be there. Mark those 2 boxes with 3. We have 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box level the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. This box can be 1, this box can be 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. This box can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2. And 4, we have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box, supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3. And 1, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. Then, let me think. 1 and a 2. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Need a 2, need a 5. 2 and a 5. Well, this box can be 1, can be 3, cannot be a 4. So 2 numbers left, 2 and a 5 is connected with that box. 2 and a 5 is also connected with that box. 2 and a 5, okay. Well, 2, 5. So the 4 could be here. 2, 5. The difficult part, the 1 and a 5. 1, 2, 3. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, so 4 or a 5. 1 and a 2, that means we have a double 1 here. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. If I press 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. The 1 is supposed to be here, and the 5 goes there. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 or 5 here. Well, 2, 5. Overlooked something. Come on. I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left here in this area. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. Is connected with that box should be so 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 and a 4. 4 and a 5. This box I've marked with 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 2 or 5, 4, 5. 2 numbers left here. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. Is also connected with that box, should be so 5. 4 and a 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area. 4 numbers 4 and a 2. That means that this box cannot be 2 or a 4. We have a double 2 there, double 4 there. Can be a 5. Can be a 3. So 1 digit left. Should be a 1 here. Okay. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Well, I cannot place a 2 there because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 is supposed to be here and the 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, not faster than 15 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. But it's another 4, another 3, but the 2 stars puzzle. And we solve it again. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and have a great and fantastic Sunday. We'll meet again in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.